What is product design and development? It's a tool that we use that connects things like mechanical engineering to manufacturing engineering. It's more of an applied engineering field in the fact that if you look around the room that we're in today, that's something that was designed by product design and development people. And pretty much everything other than the building that we're in was produced by somebody who's in product design and development at some point. We do a lot with CAD software, computer-aided design software, and in our classes we're a little bit more unique in the fact that we build a lot of engineering analysis into our courses as well. So even though we have a traditional mechanical engineering program here, our students are the type of people that will go to work in industry and that will support the efforts of mechanical engineering people, electrical engineering people. So as an example, if somebody designs a cell phone, a product design and development person is going to take that and shape that and make it look like what it's going to look like and not necessarily have much to do with the way that the electronics work on the inside. That's another discipline. In terms of supporting a manufacturing process, we give all the details, including all the materials and processes required to produce any given product.
My name is Bridger Reed. I am a recent graduate of the Product Design and Development program here at Weber State University. I chose to be here because I actually grew up having a hobby of 3D printing and 3D modeling. I was introduced to it in high school and I really loved it and it took off. And in my calculus class, I actually loved the unit where we would rotate things around axes to find 3D shapes. I went to my school counselor here at Weber State and I just said, hey, this is what I like to do, this is what I'm good at, this is what I feel like I could be successful in. And she recommended this product design and development program for me. What I learned in my program is how to not only 3D design something, but how to 3D design something effectively so that you actually can manufacture it more easily than you could. I learned how to design that thing, but then I also learned how to take that and go make it with my own hands. With the machines here at Weber State, we use laser cutting, we use CNC machining on a lathe and on a mill. We use this plasma table that's here behind me. We use a lot of metal bending machines. They're just super awesome to be able to actually design something and then take it and go make it with my own hands and say, look what I did. I was the project leader for the train car team. On my team, I had a combination of different majors here at Weber State in the engineering department. We were mostly product design and development, or PDD. We had a couple of manufacturing engineering technology, emphasis in welding, and then we had a few systems engineering people on our team. And so as the project leader, I was able to take their strengths and coordinate them together so that we could come up with this product, looking at it from different viewpoints, kind of putting all our ideas together. And so that was really fun to be able to work in an actual group of people like we would in industry to produce a product so that when we go into industry, we are then able to be confident in what we're doing. We know how to work with other people, and then we also know just how to put our heads together and get something done. If somebody is making the transition from high school into college, I would say a good place to start is to just talk to the professors here. They know, they've had industry experience, they've been here for a significant amount of time, they know what they're doing, they're experienced in their fields, and they can really give you a good rundown of what product design and development is, but also if it's a good fit for them or not.